Alright, I am back with the Kobalt 7-piece standard wrench set. And this set includes a 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. This is the item number, in case you decide you want to check this out. These are polished chrome vanadium. They do have the red ring around each one, telling you that this is a standard set. And then over here we have got the Kobalt 7-piece wrench set metric, and it goes from 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Both made in China. And there's the part number for it, or item number. Except for I can't focus. There we go. That's the item number for it. And both of these do have the hassle-free lifetime guarantee. Okay, just trying to get these open. Oh, I don't want to scratch that one up. Okay, just a second. Okay, and these do have the engraving on the numbers. The Kobalt is engraved. And it has the booster for metric. And they're all basically the same. So this is the Kobalt 7-piece metric and standard wrench set. Seem to be very good quality. We'll find out more when we get to using them. They feel good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my videos.